Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in a Glacier White Tricoat. This one is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get this gorgeous jet black interior with these leather and heated ventilated seats on both sides. Your Denali stitching along the middle, and if you follow our black stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. Of course, up top we have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right below that, you'll get our push-to-start ignition, as well as it comes equipped with keyless entry and remote start. You'll find your climate controls here with your heated and ventilated seat controls. Down low, we have our additional storage with our USB-C and USB charge ports. You get 2 cup holders, shifter, trailer brake controls, and inside of your middle console, you get a USB-C and USB charge port, an AC outlet, and a wireless charging pad. Making our way through the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, you'll find our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and of course down below you'll find our park brake, drive modes, and automatic high beam controls. Moving along up to the windshield here, you'll find our heads-up display, and moving back down to the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel controls. And if we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. Up top, you also get a rear view mirror, digital display that you can turn on and off with a flick of a switch to your liking. And last but not least, you get a universal home garage opener, power controls for your sliding rear window, and power controls for your sunroof. In the back, we still have our black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, you'll find your 2 heated seat controls to go alongside your USB-C and USB charge port. You get 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, inside the seats itself, it does come equipped with additional cubby space, and down below we also have additional storage. Last but not least, you get these cup holders here in the middle and your power sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here, if we take a look, we have our classic chrome Denali grille with our GMC badge in the middle and front-facing camera. We have our chrome accent tow hooks along the bottom. You get these gorgeous LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. Bridgestone tires down low. Up top, you have a chrome accented power side mirrors with blinkers integrated along the side. Chrome accents along our windows, as well as our handles here with keyless entry, and on our running boards that do automatically deploy when doors are open. We also have tint in the rear window, corner assist steps on each side, and taking a look at the back, you'll find our dual chrome exhaust. Last but not least, we have our MultiPro Tailgate to control it. Top button, you can see the first half down, no issues. This can also be turned into a step when needed. And to go all the way down, just press the second button to get you all the way down, no problem, to lead you to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120-volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra Denali in a Glacier White Tricoat. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.